everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a great breakfast that is packed with proteins. We are going to be making a great steak, potato, eggs breakfast. Interested and want to see this recipe? Please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy. For our breakfast recipe, here is an overview of all our ingredients. We have some potato. I have already washed and cut them into bite size. We have some paprika, some seasoning salt, and to season the steak, I am gonna be using the organic mild meat seasoning from Le Mogo Seasoning. You're interested in trying this meat seasoning? I'll make sure to have it in the description below. And we also have an organic green seasoning, which I am not going to be using in this recipe. This organic green seasoning is an all-in-one, and it is also a vegetarian and vegan friendly. And we also have eggs. This recipe, it is packed with protein and it is super delicious and easy to put together. Now to season a potato, I'm going to add some oil, some seasoning salt, and a generous amount of paprika. And then we are going to mix it well. After you mix it well, you are going to spread it on a tray and roast it under the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Since it is a quick and easy recipe, I am gonna be using an air fryer. And while we are letting our potatoes sit for a minute, I am going to season the steak. To season the steak, I added a full spoon of the organic mild meat seasoning, and we are going to mix it well, and then we are going to allow the steak to rest for 10 minutes so it can fully season. And while the steak is marinating, we are going to add our potatoes in the air fryer so that they can roast for 18 minutes. Now that our potatoes is cooking, now we are going to start cooking the steak. I am going to heat up some oil and then we are going to cook the steak. To cook the steak, we are not going to take long. We are simply going to let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. But depending on how you like your steak, feel free to minimize the time or feel free to prolong the cooking time. As well, it is up to you. And now we have flip it side. We are going to flip it side again. And after that, we are going to remove our steak from the pan. Now that the steak is ready, we are going to start making the eggs. I am going to pour some oil so that we can start making the egg. And I like my eggs a little bit on the runny side. When you are making your eggs like this, make sure you use a pan that is non-stick. This pan, I was a little bit disappointed. Even though it says that it is non-stick, I found out that my eggs were still sticking in the bottom. So now, while the eggs is cooking, I'm simply going to sprinkle some seasoning salt on top. And after the eggs get lightly crispy, we are going to remove it from the pan. And now we are going to put our dish together and start plating. And this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you make this breakfast recipe, let me know what you'll add. Let me know what you'll do differently. And if you are new here, you enjoy this type of quick and easy recipe, please remember to subscribe to help support my channel and help me grow. As you can see, the steak came out tender and the potatoes has a nice color to it. This is how I like my eggs. I like it to be crispy on one side and to be a little bit runny on the other side. But it is up to you. If you like your eggs scrambled, feel free to maneuver however you want to redo this recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying until the end, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. Cooking made easy.